All right, so I got these new AirPods because my old ones got broken and they're just completely helpless at this point. So I already unboxed them, but let's just pretend that they're not unboxed. So I have a problem with them though. So my dad has the same AirPods and you really can't tell the difference until you open them up and see all the gunk on the inside of his. So I want to tell the difference from a long ways away. I'll make mine stand out. First up, I need a little bit of tape. Every good project starts with some tape. Got to cover up all the important parts that we don't want to paint on. Honestly, I did a pretty sloppy job on this, but whatever. Gotta protect my work surface, of course, so I got this paper out. Now you see me struggling to get the lid off some spray paint that I'm going to use. Got a little orange here. Here I'm doing a little test, and I started out with this orange, then white and yellow, and I decided to do a little switcheroo and just use the orange and a different yellow after a little sanding. I think it made the paint stick better, maybe? Now I gotta get that puppy wet. Oh, that's some bright orange paint. Man, this is looking nice already. Alrighty, you gotta flip it and then repeat. I may have gone a bit heavy. I got a little drip going off the side there and some cracking, but I think it'll be okay. Let's take a peek at what we got. And we'll give it a little sanding, see how it'll weather. Now we gotta clean it before we can get those nice close-ups. I think it's pretty good, Wait. I looked at these guys for a couple good hours and kept thinking, I can do better. You gotta tape it up, but better. Gotta get that first coat, but better. Really get all the way orange, like all the sides. And put a little tape on it, and you just gotta be careful, just a little bit of yellow, just a little bit. All right, I took the tape off and they look real nice now. Alrighty, they're done now. Adios, YouTube.